Apple recently announced their late entry into the smart home speaker market with the HomePod. HomePod is a brand new smart home speaker coming to an already crowded market. But there is definitely few things that makes it stand out. These are the few things you should know before getting the Apple HomePod. HomePod is less about smartness and more about the speaker. HomePod's biggest attraction is its amazing sound quality. It uses an array of 7 tweeters and a 4-inch woofer to give you the best possible listening experience on any smart home speaker right now. This is where HomePod kinda pales in comparison to a lot of the competition, including the tiny little Google Home Mini. For a smart speaker, HomePod is missing quite a lot of functions. It only natively supports Apple Music and does not support popular music streaming services like Spotify, and that's definitely a... HomePod uses Siri as the smart voice assistant, and let's just say Siri isn't really the best out there in this department. And to make things worse, it doesn't support multiple voices. So basically anyone can just ask it to read your messages and even send replies. HomePod has 7 built-in microphones, which serves for 2 different purposes. One is to listen to your voice command to Siri, and yeah, it can hear you even at full volume, and even when you're quite far away. But the most interesting use of these microphones is to detect the surrounding objects like the wall, and use the data to provide a more consistent sound quality across the room. HomePod is paired just like your AirPods. All you need to do is place your iPhone nearby and you're all set to get started. But if you're an Android user, then you're out of luck. You cannot even set the HomePod up with your Android device, and that's another one of those for me. So HomePod does what it's intended to do, to provide us with a good sound quality. But as a smart speaker, it needs to mature quite a lot. What do you think of the HomePod? Do let me know in the comment section below. And if you found this video helpful, hit the thumbs up button and also the little red button next to it. Thanks a lot for watching and have a great day.